How to add photos to hidden album on any iPhone. Well, it's a pretty simple and a quick process, so without further ado, let's move into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your gallery or photos. Once you are inside your gallery of a device, you need to move into the photos that you want to add it to your hidden album. So let's say you want to add this picture to your hidden album. Simply click on the picture for now. Now you have to click on this three dot at the top right corner of the screen. Tons of different options will be visible to you, but you have to click on Hide. Once again click on Hide Photo. And there you go, this picture has been successfully added to your hidden album. Likewise, if you want to add tons of pictures to your hidden album, then what you want to do is tap on Select at the top right corner. And then select the pictures that you want to add. Once you have selected, tap on this three dot at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on Hide. Once again click on Hide Photos. And there you go, all of the pictures has been added to your hidden album. If you want to see them, simply head over to hidden album and then enter your passcode of your device. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add photos to hidden album in any of the iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.